name? Louis? I have a present for Louis. Look. I have a present.
So this is how it looks.
Good morning, my loves. How are you? I hope that everybody's been doing well. I've missed you guys so much, but here I am, guys. I am so happy to be back. I've been recording, so I have tons of videos to be sharing with you guys when it comes to food cooking and life. So I decided to take you guys along with me. It's Monday, I don't know, December 10th or something. Here we are in Old San Juan. So I'm going to go shopping for the business. And normally on Mondays, that's what I do. You see those two ships right there? So slow season for us in Old San Juan business owners. We bank on these ships to come in. So a lot of times we get these ships, they come in and they spend a lot of money. Sometimes like those two mofos, they come in and they don't spend anything, but that's how it is. So here we are in Montalvo, guys. So normally for the business, we shop in Montalvo, Costco, Sam's Club, and we also go to a warehouse where we get fresh fruits and vegetables. Because in the shop, you know, that's what I strive for, freshness. So here we are in San Juan, and I consider this like the Dominican side, just like Jersey, New York, right? Everybody builds their own little communities, and this is like the Dominican side. So we came over to pick up some stuff that we needed for the business, and I also decided to stop and pick up some cuchifrito so I can go home and make rice. Cause honey, after shopping all day, I don't want to cook. So I was like, "Big Papa, let's stop at the cuchifrito," because you know, the Dominicans, they do good cuchifrito. So we stopped and we got some pig ears. We got, what else we got? Pig ears. We got morcilla, carne frita, all that good stuff. So this is Old San Juan. We're heading back to the store. And it was, you know, a pretty like quiet, breezy night. Like this time right now in Old San Juan, it's like fall. Like the breeze is amazing. Where I don't even want the air on the car, just roll down the windows. So I appreciate it. But my loves, I came here last year in January. And I have not been able to leave. And I have so much to tell you, so much to share with you. But the interim of all that, I did take a lot of videos. I did a lot of vlogging, cooking videos. So I have so much footage to put up, but I just haven't had the time. Look at this is Plaza America. Like, if you guys don't know, Puerto Ricans are big on Christmas. They love Christmas. They were already decorating around Halloween, but it really kicked off November 1st. The township started decorating.
Me of like
Look, I
Bodega
seen
days.
this can of Hawaiian Punch. Bodega days. If you know, you know. I used to love me some Hawaiian Punch. Now I don't drink soda or juices or anything like that, but look at that. I was like, oh my God, flashback, like what? And I want to take you guys to see some of the Christmas decorations around, you know, San Juan, Old San Juan, and the Campo. So I plan to do that because you guys already know from prior videos, I love Christmas. I am like the biggest Christmas whore. And right now I'm missing Jersey because of that. So, you know, but what can you do, right? I just said we don't have control over everything that we do, but we do have to make the best of the situations that we're put in. Feliz Dia de los Reyes. You guys saw that? So, all right. So this is the plaza by the store. So I have to come out here and videotape for you guys because I'm telling you, Old San Juan, they do it. They do it big. Look at this. These guys did such an amazing job. It's freaking beautiful. And it's like so festive. And it just puts you in a good mood. So anyways, we got to the store. The plan was to start marinating, making all our sauces, our barbecues. And I also have to make coquito because I ran out. but I'm too tired. Like, are you guys like me? You go shopping, when you come home, you don't want to cook, you don't want to do nothing. Look, we threw some stuff on the other side of the counter. We left some bags there. I was like, Big Papa, we're out of here. Like, he was trying to stay and do all of that. You could stay, I'll go home and I'll see you later. But you know, he got to follow me. He was like, oh no, if you're leaving, I'm leaving. Plus, we were hungry. So that blue bag is just the food that we got from the fritura from the Dominicans. And we did pick at it, honey. They're always on point. So I'm going to go home and I'm going to make some rice. And I did a cooking video, so I will be uploading that video. But I don't know, I woke up this morning and I wanted arroz con habichuela with salchichón. Honey, I don't know what happened, but I went to Supermax and I did get me some salchichón. And I went home after this and I made me a pot of pinto beans with a salchichón. That rice came out smacking delicious. So I will be editing that video. Plus, I made like a little festive upside down pineapple cake in a snowflake mold. And I did it for Big Papa because he's been working hard. Wait, you guys hear that? This never gets old. This is a ship letting everybody know, if you don't get on this ship, I am about to leave your asses. And I hear it all the time when the ships come in, and I love it. Honey, look at that rice. And I'm making my rice different. Because when I started staying over here, my mother's way of cooking and my dad's is different due to diets and certain things that they can't not take anymore, like because due to acid reflux and stuff like that. So I learned how to change my way of cooking. So those videos are what I'm bringing to you. And you would think like, oh, you know, we old school, we're used to doing stuff, honey. But that rice right there, delicious. It doesn't change the flavor. That's Big Papa's plate. I did make pork chops because that's what he wanted. The frituras in the nevera, he wanted chuletas. So it is what it is. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in comments what you want. I've missed you all. I'm going to try to do Vlogmas. If I don't do Vlogmas, so well. I mean, not so well. Oh, well. But I'm here. I'm back, my loves. Have a beautiful day. May God bless you. Que Dios me lo bendiga. To the next video. Enjoy this day. And give thanks to God for waking you up every morning. And for giving you the little things in life. Because the little things is what matters. And those things are what you're always going to remember.